Urbanus here, Spectrum Weavers. I'm going to show you today how to use a super cool product. It is an overlay. Well, it's an overlay set that will allow you to make anything you want animal prints, whether that be your text or vectors, designs, anything you want. You can make an animal print. The overlay set that I'm using, I will link in the description of the video. It's a really good one. This is specifically for vinyl cutters. It comes with a cheetah print, giraffe, tiger, and zebra. So you can see here that I've already made the cheetah and the tiger. So I'm going to show you here what I have done first is this is an offset, this one up here is. So you can see, let me go ahead and move this to the front. So I'm selecting it and I'm clicking on arrange, send to front. So you can see that black layer is an offset. The offset is not a feature that is available currently at this time in Design Space. If you search my videos for Inkscape offset, or I think it's under Inkscape offset. If not, just look for Inkscape, and that will show you how to make an offset in a free design program called Inkscape, and then import that into Design Space so that you can make that the outline like we're going to do in a moment here. So you saw what I did. I layered that over. I'm going to select both, and I'm going to click Align, Center, and then Slice. And then, just to be clear, you don't have to offset to use these overlays. That's just something that I'm doing for this specific project. I want to show you how to make these. So, but you can use these once you see how to use them. You can use them on anything you want. You don't need to do what I'm doing. So we'll get rid of that. And then, so I have already used this one and I have already used this one. So let's go ahead and, you know what, before I go any further, I'm going to duplicate this so I don't have to do that part again. So I'll duplicate that and I'll move this set over here for now. And then I'll take this right here. Let's do the draft one next. So we'll take this. Oops. Up here. Right there. Okay, and then we'll increase the size. And then we'll select both. For any new users, to select both, the way that I did that is I left clicked and then drew a box just touching both. And then I'll select both. Click slice, bottom, right hand side. And you can get rid of that. That there. Get rid of that. Delete. Move this right over here. And then select both. And then go up to Align, Center. And then go down here and go to Weld. Okay, bottom, right hand, right next to Slice, Weld. And that all welds it together, okay? So I'm going to click on that so I can change the color. I'm going to go up here, click on my color. And I'm going to make that one pink. Should be brown like a giraffe. This is a giraffe print. Let's leave it brown like a giraffe. Okay, and then the only one we have left here is this zebra. Okay, and then we'll take this, put this right here, and select both, and slice. And we can get rid of this. Pull this over here. Get rid of these. And then we'll take this right here. And put this here. Select both. Align. Center. Down to your bottom right. Weld. Okay, and then this one, one of two things. You can make it black because it is zebra. Or we could make it... we lost our pink. That's too bad. And I had a really good pink on there too. That's okay. So We could make it red. Let's try to find that pink again. Goes up and around in here somewhere. It's a good pink right there. So there you go. And that is how you use them. If you have any questions, please feel free to post them in the comments below. But again, I mean, this is just, it's just a really neat overlay set. I'll link this font right here. It's a great font to have. Okay, have a good day.